Hello, my name is Mary Takaoka, and I will teach you how to pronounce the sound It's called the Schwa sound. A banana. Chicken. A banana. In unstressed syllables and words can and can't. Practice the sound Make it very short. The sound is always short and weak. Listen and repeat. And repeat. Chicken. Tomatoes. Lettuce. A banana. An onion. Some chocolate. A question. A woman. Women. Listen and repeat. A cup of coffee. A can of soda. A pound of onions. Bacon and eggs. Chips and salsa. Chocolate and vanilla. A cup of tea. A can of soup. A pound of bananas. Lettuce and tomatoes. Chicken and rice. Man and woman. Boy and girl. Can is pronounced can. I can go. She can ride a bike. She can play the guitar. She can sail a boat. She can drive a car. She can play the piano. She can't swim. Can't. Listen to each sentence and choose the word. He can play the piano. I can stand on my head. She can ride a horse. She can speak Japanese. But her children can't. You can park your car here. I can meet you at 3 o'clock. He can't play the piano. She can't ride a horse. I can't meet you at 3 o'clock. A. All of us can swim. B. 2 of us can play the piano. C. 1 of us can ride a horse. A. None of us can do the handstand. The sound can be spelled with any vowel letter. Add about. A. again, banana, woman. E, problem, open, excellent, woman. I, possible, animal, notice, guitar. O, today, computer, question, welcome. U, suggest, success, careful, lettuce. An even OU sound. Famous, delicious, dangerous. Common expressions. Listen and repeat these common expressions with the sound What's the problem? Go away. Can you say that again? That's an excellent question. I'm from Canada, the United States of America. I hope you enjoyed learning the sound. I'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.